Are you all ready to make a homemade snack? I am really excited about today's snack, and I have a hat on because today's snack is going to use the power of the sun. Have you noticed how warm it is lately in Phoenix, Arizona in the desert? It's so warm that if I don't put my hat on when I go outside, I'm gonna get a sunburn and I'm gonna feel dizzy and start to feel like I need a drink of water. So the sun is so powerful that can actually give all kinds of energy to the earth and to people if we use it right. Well, I'm going to use the sun to make today's snack. I am actually going to make my own little sun oven, a solar oven. Today's snack is something that you've all probably had before. You've gotten it from the grocery store. It's a nice snack. Lots of energy comes from this snack. And the snack is golden raisins. So there's only one ingredient that you need to make golden raisins, and that's green grapes. We just need one ingredient for this snack. So I have my washed grapes here. I already washed my bunch of green grapes, and now I'm going to take each and every grape and I'm going to poke a hole in the bottom using a fork. And this is going to help the air circulate through the grape and turn into a raisin. Okay, so here I go, poking my hole in my grape, and I'm going to put it on this tray that I have. Now this tray that I have is perforated. Do you know what the word perforated means? It means there are little holes so air can come through it. So the perforated tray is going to keep that air circulating through the grapes and turn them into raisins a lot better. If you don't have a tray that looks like this, you might find something in your kitchen, maybe a salad spinner that has the little holes on the bottom so that the water can come off of the salad greens when you're spinning it. Or this is a pizza tray. So I could use this pizza tray if I wanted to make my grapes, because all those holes will keep the air circulating through the grapes and the solar oven so that they can turn into delicious, juicy raisins. Okay, so now I'm going to finish poking holes in all of my grapes. I'm going to do every single one and put the grapes in a single layer on your tray. Okay, don't pile them on top of one another. Leave a little bit of space in between, because again, keeping the air circulating through them is what's going to make those sweet, delicious raisins. Now, all I want to do is find something to go over the top of my solar oven. Now this again needs to be perforated for the air to flow through. So we want those little holes in whatever we're going to use as our lid for the solar oven. I found something in my house that a lot of you probably have, and that's a strainer. So this strainer has all the little holes in it. You can see right through it, but no bugs could get through because the holes are very, very tiny. So I'm going to put the strainer top right over my grapes, and then I'm going to take my new solar oven and my green grapes outside, and I am going to find a clean, sunny, dry spot to put my solar oven. Okay, maybe it's a windowsill, maybe you have a table on your patio, just a nice, clean, dry place. And once you find that great, sunny, dry space, leave your grapes there for 3 days. And it might even take 4 or 5 days. And you can check on your grapes every day to see how they're doing, see if they're turning into raisins. Okay, it's really cool because they start to shrivel up a little bit, and then a little more, and then a little more, and pretty soon they've turned into these flavorful, sweet, chewy raisins. So after they have been sitting in the sun for 3 to 5 days, you can bring your solar oven in and you can take the lid off. Now I made some of my own golden raisins just the other day and they turned out great. So I'm going to show you the raisins that I made. This is what they're going to look like when they're done. Can you see that? They look just like raisins because the raisins that you get from the store really were just grapes. So make sure that you taste your raisins, and you can make sure that they're super yummy, super delicious. So I'm gonna taste one. Oh my gosh, it's so good. What a fun snack. Now, I could eat the snack just like this, or what else could you do with raisins? Think about it. What about making oatmeal raisin cookies? So you could use your own homemade raisins in your own homemade oatmeal raisin cookies. Or what if you wanted to make a trail mix? Maybe you put some sunflower seeds and some chocolate chips, some pretzels in a bowl, and you put your raisins in and you mix it all up to make your own homemade raisin trail mix. There's a lot of things that you can do with raisins. So I hope you guys have fun with this project, and let me know how it goes making your own homemade golden raisins in a sun oven.